Good day, this is Bren, and we're going to solve simple annuity problems using the ordinary Dexine calculator scientific. Okay. So meron tayo ditong mga formulas for future value, present value, regular payments, where P is given and F is given. So nakita natin dito sa gilid kanilang mga formulas. Then you can see the this is F is equals to R, and may mga variables tayo dyan na makikita natin dito. Okay. So yun yung ating R, ating I over M, yung ating M times T, and I over M. Yung I over M is J, and M times T is N. Okay, so just follow this. First, we will solve for future value. Ganito siya sa calculator pag pinrest natin. Okay, so isasay natin R 3000. Okay, open parenthesis, this one, another one, and then 1 plus J or I over M, that is computed as 0.0075, close. We have the exponent here, raised to. Our N is equals to MT, that is 6. Okay, minus 1, and then close, divide, and then yung ating I over M, again 0.0075. Press equals. So this is our future value. Next, for our present value, this one, the formula here is this. Okay, sa calculator natin gagawin din natin yan. Okay, so our R is 3000, open parenthesis, okay, this one, minus 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.0075 yung ating I over M, and then we close, and then this one raised to our exponent is negative yan, ito yung negative sign, 6. Yan. Then we close, divide by I over M is 0.0075, and then press equals. So this is our present value. Next, we solve for the regular payments. Una muna yung if P or the present value is given. Our formula for that is this one. Okay, where I over M is J and M times T is N. Okay, so again we solve for the I over M and the MT. Now we use the calculator. Okay, we have the P as 100,000 divide by dalawang open parenthesis, then 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus, we have the I over M as 0.08, close, raised to -3, so ito yung negative, and then 3, close, divide by 0.08. Okay, which will give us this one, 38,803.35 in 2 decimal places. Next, lastly, is the regular payment if the future value is given. This is our formula if future value is given. Okay, this one, where I over M is J and M times T is N. 500,000 our F, divide by, we have 3 open parentheses, then we have 1 plus 0.005 close parenthesis raised to our MT, which is 24, then minus 1, then close parenthesis, divide by 0.005, press equals. Okay, that's it. Hope you have learned from this lesson. I will see you again on my next video. Goodbye and God bless.